Quality testing of your distribution transformers. Distribution transformers are the interfaces between regional medium and local low voltage grids. Before leaving the factory, the distribution transformers must undergo comprehensive high voltage tests. After all, they must later guarantee a high grid quality over many decades of operation. We at HiVolt have newly designed a state-of-the-art test system for precisely these tests. DiTAS, Automated High Voltage Test System for Distribution Transformers. DiTAS can be used for both routine and type testing of distribution transformers up to 5 megavolt ampere. DiTAS is fast. To be able to integrate high voltage tests into the current production process, our DiTAS test system can be operated in a fully automated mode. As a result, a complete routine test takes only a few minutes with DiTAS. HiVolt's innovative solution is to supply all tests via a static frequency converter. In this way, DiTAS achieves an entirely new level of frequency and voltage regulation. DiTAS is safe. In case of an error at the test object, the system is switched off without delay thanks to the fast converter technology. As a result, secondary damage to the test object is avoided. DiTAS is flexible. We designed the DiTAS test system according to your individual requirements and the specific conditions on site. For maximum flexibility, we developed a platform which can be raised or lowered to match the height of the test object. DiTAS is easy to operate. Your employees are able to connect test objects in just a few steps and are then ready to proceed in next to no time. Thanks to the universal terminal clamp and plug-in system, the tester can use different connection sizes without changing any connection cables. DiTAS is reliable. Together with you, we developed an individually tailored safety, shielding, and earthing concept. DiTAS is integrated. All test object data can be stored in the database and used to determine the appropriate test program. All test sequences and measurement data are available in a central database, which is accessible from several workplaces across the network. DiTAS is user-friendly. Your test personnel are supported optimally by the intuitive user interface and a step-by-step guide. Now we would like to describe a few tests as examples. Applied voltage test. The test voltage is generated by way of a high voltage test transformer connected to the terminals of the test object. The power is supplied via a static frequency converter, which is accommodated in a compact container. It can also be placed outside the test bay. The test transformer is connected to the test object by way of automatically controlled disconnectors. The other end of the winding is also earthed automatically. It's your choice whether the individual tests are started separately or run as a complete sequence. Induced voltage test. The power is again supplied via the static frequency converter, but in this case, with a higher frequency. The step-up transformer required for this test is integrated into the container of the converter. There are further automatically controlled disconnectors to provide a safe connection with the low voltage side of the test object. The test voltage on the high voltage side is generated according to the ratio of the transformer under test. The pre-selected test sequence runs fully automatically. DiTAS is flexible. All tests can be started either from your computer or from the touch panel of the operator unit. This applies equally to load and no-load tests, temperature rise tests, and special tests. The graphical user interface also ensures maximum ease of operation for non-PC-based control. Furthermore, all user interfaces can be implemented in more than 10 different international languages. DiTAS is convenient. A customized test report is generated once all test processes have been completed. We offer complete and customized integration of the test equipment into your production line. Options with the shown lifting platform or any other integrated solution, as presented here, are just two examples. DiTAS, automated test systems for distribution transformers made by HiVolt, offer highest reliability for first-rate quality assurance.